This method to clean bathroom tiles is 1,000 times more effective than any other chemical. You just got home and you need a shower. You're exhausted and you just want to lie on the couch. True? But what happens when your shower is dirtier than you? You'll have to clean it, right? Although highly efficient products are obtained in the supermarkets, which allow you to clean your bathroom, they can cost high sums of money or contain a number of chemical components that will endanger your health. In this video we present you a home remedy to clean the shower, 100% natural and 100% effective. Not only will it be impeccable, but you will also get a better lifestyle, as well as the certainty that you will have a totally innovative and genuine cleaning product. So, we present this tutorial so that you prepare it without leaving your house and see how easy it can be used. The task of cleaning the bathroom will be an easy and simple thing, after you prepare and use this powerful mix with items that you have on hand, or that you can get in a supermarket. You need 1. Half a cup of salt. 2. Half a cup of white vinegar. 3. Half a cup of grapefruit juice. 4. 5 liters of water. Preparation: 1. Mix the water well with the salt and add the grapefruit juice, shake gently and then gradually add the white vinegar. 2. You will verify foaming, but this occurs as a result of the chemical reaction during the melting process. 3. You should only wait until it has settled down until it lowers the foam and pour the mixture made into a spray dispenser bottle for convenience. 4. When prepared, spray this mixture carefully on the stained surfaces, allowing the product to act for approximately 30 minutes. 5. Then with the aid of a sponge, rough bath towel or simply a brush, scrub to remove the dirt that bothers and generates germs. 6. Rinse with plenty of water and enjoy a shiny, hygienic bath. Every time we finish bathing, it is very important that we open a window to ventilate and prevent moisture from seizing our bathroom, and especially the tiles. If we have time, it is best to dry them after each shower so that no